Well, it's October 19th, and we are out inline ripping, getting it done. Basically, I think we're going about 14 inches deep. This is a 12.5-foot inline ripper 5 shank, and basically what it's doing is you might be able to see here, but it's kind of lifting up the soil. There's points, I'll show you later, but there's points down there that kind of lift up the soil, and then once the dirt gets past it drops it, and it breaks up that compaction layer, or hard pan as we call it, that's been made by doing tillage over the years, and that's made by all the heavy equipment like grain carts and combine and stuff. So just out here doing that. Well, it's the next day, October 20th. We're back out in the field. We finished soybeans yesterday, and they're switching over to corn right now. I'm out in the tillage tractor doing some inline ripping again. We're on a bottom over west of the farm and making good progress. We're out 30 acres for the day, so I get another 10 or 20 and call her a night. But yeah, going good. Well, we're on day 2 of corn harvest. It is October 22nd, I believe. It's a Wednesday. We're on our second field for the day, and this is our third field in total. Just hauled out my third truck of the day, or loaded my third truck of the day. So it's going good. Combine's over there, knocking it out. Our last field did about 180, so not too bad, not the greatest, but I mean for the year, had a lot of southern rust, kind of ran out of rain there last part of August, so I'd say it wasn't too bad overall. It's pretty dusty though. The combine over there is kicking out a lot in the back. Where soybeans, you'll get that because you're taking in the whole plant, cutting it pretty low down, a couple inches off the ground. And corn, really, you're just trying to take the ear, and you're not really trying to take too much of the stalk. So to have a ton of dust on corn is somewhat unusual. But otherwise, yeah, that's just a product of the southern rust we had this year that came in super strong. Some people did one fungicide pass. On my ground, I know I did one, and some people did more than one. You could do 2, and 3 is about the max you could do, which it just kind of depends on the farm, what you do, and whether it pays or not to do more than one fungicide pass. But for our area in central Iowa, I mean, it was pretty dang hard to control the southern rust that we had. So I think everyone got nicked by it, but it just depends on how much it affected your corn, and when you were able to get that fungicide on is really what determines, or will determine, a lot of your yield. Not able to make it all the way down the round to turn around, so load him on the go. So we gotta stop. He's gotta back out, and we gotta unload sitting still, which definitely hurts efficiency, but some good corn, so I'm not complaining.
Mama don't pray for my success anymore, yeah, but mama still prays for me. Seeing the world ain't really seeing the world through a window from A to B. Between alcohol and women and Adderall and adrenaline, I don't ever get no rest. Sign my life away to be the life of the party, yeah, to everybody else. I look like a rock star, in and out of cop cars, living out of suitcase, trashing hotel bars. If I see the sunrise, it's cause I stayed up all night, drinking cause I need to. Judging by my long hair, you might think I don't care. It's not a spot where people would kill to be, kill to be, kill to be. But y'all, it ain't as good as it seems. This living a dream is killing me, killing me, killing me. It's killing me, killing me, killing me. Another day, another venue. There's trouble to get into, and love ain't on the menu again. Lonely as an eagle, I meet 1,000 people who think I got 1,000 friends. Ooh, there's a stranger in the mirror. Another one.
So it looks like when we're unloading the grain car, a little hard to see at night, but there's the scale. I don't know how much grain I put in there, and then that's what it looks like right there. Comes up pretty fast. About 1,000 bushels right here. Holds in that and in
It's killing me, killing me, killing me. Killing me, killing me, killing me. There's a stranger in the mirror. Put a call to the pictures of a rock star, in and out of cop cars, living out of that you thought I was. I wanna be the man that made you fall in love. I can't undo everything I've done. Let me tell you right now,